Hey everyone, what's up? Well, in today's video, it's just going to be a quick review on the Poulan Pro mower, since you guys really have not seen this mower before. It's just been in storage, so here it is, and this is the only video I'm going to be making of this machine, unfortunately, because it is going up for sale. So yeah, it is kind of a shame because I kind of wish I could have kept this mower, but you can't keep them all, can you? So here it is anyway. So I figured I'd at least do this quick video for you guys. So here it is. So as you can see, it's quite similar to John 3800's Rally BP75AR. That's because it's made by the same company, AYP, which is American Yard Products, and it has the same engine as that mower, except this machine is basically a little newer than his Rally. But all in all, as you can see, it really is similar to it. So I guess what I'll do now is just kind of give you a walkthrough of it and show you the machine. So right away, as you can see, it is powered by a 6.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton Quantum engine. So obviously I've had a lot of experience with these engines. These are great engines, very reliable and very simple to work on. So yeah. So anyway, next thing I'll show you is the year. So the way to tell the year of your Briggs & Stratton, if you don't already know it, you want to look for 3 sets of numbers here. So you want to block off the first 2, and you want to look for the last digits. So in this case here, 00, so that means this was made in 2000. So yeah, that's the code there. So here's a close-up look of the engine, and it is a front wheel self-propelled system. As you can see there's the belt cover and everything. Here's the wheels, which are in fantastic condition, and I did wash this machine up today, and I also put a new spark plug and air filter in it. So yeah, and also I had to replace the brake cable too, which I gotta get a zip tie and just basically tie it back here. But all in all, the brake cable is brand new and it does work perfectly, so that's good. So anyway, it's a 22-inch steel deck. This thing is very, very heavy. So that is kind of one of the reasons I'm selling it, is because it is so heavy and bulky. I just really don't like using it because of that. And it does have the larger wheels in the back. Those are for easier maneuverability. So basically, as you can see, the idea is it lifts the mower up and you can basically maneuver it around a bit easier. Now there's supposed to be a bag with it. As you can see there, it says mulch bag side discharge. However, the only thing I have with this mower is the mulch plug, which pulls out there. So yeah, I do not have the bag or the side discharge chute with it, so that's kind of unfortunate, but it is what it is. So next thing I'll show you is the model and serial number. So as you can see, there's the model number, so it's PR6Y22CHA, and then we go over to the serial number, which I'm not sure what that one's for, but this one here is 004485, Poulan Pro, made in the USA, which is very good to see. So here's where you'd plug the side discharge chute in, obviously, but obviously I don't have it, so I can't do that. So yeah, nothing else to really say on it except I'll just tilt the machine over and we'll have a look at the blade. So here's the underneath. As you can see, I did sharpen it today, so it's nice and sharp for the next owner. There's the transmission for the self-propelled system. So yeah, so I'll just tilt it back, and now this has a manual choke system. So that's start, then that's idle, and then run. And here's your self-propelled lever, so this controls the self-propelled. So yeah, so what I'll do now is get the camera set down and we'll start it up. So let me just do that real quick. I don't have my tripod out here, so I'm gonna have to set you guys down here. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. Oh yeah, also I forgot, there's also a primer bulb right here, so I'll just give that a few pushes, which it is a little slow. Okay, so choke. See what it will do. Yeah, you can see just how heavy this thing really is. So to activate that, you just pull this down. And to turn the self-propelled off, just kind of let go of that and it will snap back. Not the best self-propelled system. I would have preferred to have another bail at the back, but it is what it is. So, as you can see, runs pretty good, and it works very well. Obviously the grass is not very tall right now because it's not it just started growing. So yeah, it didn't really cut much, but just figured I'd go ahead and show it anyway. So here's another look at it. So as you can see, it is definitely a very nice machine. So it will definitely make a great mower for somebody. So that's all I got for today. If you enjoyed, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Bye for now.